Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can delete your profile picture on Facebook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be on Facebook and then go to right up corner to the menu. And when you're going to be in menu, you want to click on see your profile and then click on your profile picture. And then you're going to see here view profile picture. And then go to right up corner to the three dots. And here you're going to see delete photo. Are you sure you want to delete this photo? I'm not going to delete this one because I love it. But again, let's repeat it. You are in home, then go to right top corner, and then you can see your name, see your profile. Click on a profile picture, and here you want to view it. Again, go right top corner to the three dots and delete the photo. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.